Every day, thousands of space rocks pass near Earth. Most are harmless, but some are planet killers. 65 million years ago, an asteroid just 6 miles wide caused the extinction of the dinosaurs. The one scientists are tracking now, it's big enough to cause a similar catastrophe. NASA and other space agencies have been tracking a mystery asteroid for years, but now their latest data has set off alarm bells. The asteroid known as 2024 YR4 currently on a near-collision course with Earth. If calculations hold, it could strike our planet in 2032. Expert, we've never seen an asteroid of this size come this close. The risk of impact is low, but not zero. And if it does hit, the results would be catastrophic. Let's break it down. What would actually happen if this asteroid hit Earth? The initial explosion would release energy equal to millions of nuclear bombs. Cities within hundreds of miles would be instantly destroyed. The force of the impact would cause firestorms, sending massive clouds of debris into the sky. Sunlight would be blocked for months, causing a nuclear winter effect. Crops would fail, ecosystems would collapse, and survival would become a desperate struggle. Could humanity survive? Or would we face a new mass extinction? The good news? Scientists aren't sitting back and waiting. Plans are already in motion to stop an asteroid impact before it happens. One idea is using nuclear weapons to break the asteroid apart. But that comes with a risk. What if we just create multiple smaller impactors? Another approach, smashing a high-speed spacecraft into the asteroid to knock it off course. And then there's the gravity tractor, a spaceship that slowly tugs the asteroid away over time. The challenge? We need time. The closer the asteroid gets, the harder it is to stop. So, where does that leave us today? Governments are preparing emergency response plans, space agencies are working on deflection technology, the world is watching and waiting. Personal, I don't believe it. This is just fear-mongering. Scientists, we need to take this threat seriously. The truth is, Earth has been hit before, and it will be hit again. The question isn't if, it's when. But here's the good news. Unlike the dinosaurs, we have the power to stop it. We just need to act in time. What do you think? Drop a comment below. Are we prepared? Would you trust a government plan? What would you do if an asteroid was coming? Hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing space content.